So today we are going to Mr. DIY. Believe it or not, it's not what you think it is. But let's go inside and I'll show you what it is. So when you think of DIY, you think of more of like, small projects, model cars, or, stuff like Joann's or Hobby Lobby and stuff like that for DIY. This is more like a very, very, very small Walmart. And it's really cool. You got all sorts of things, you got food in here, very little food. You got home improvement stuff, and soon I'll show you some of the other stuff. But you can see like gloves and house cleaning products and stuff like that here too. So I guess in kind of a way, it's kind of like a mix between in America, it'd be like Lowe's and Home Depot slash Walmart slash Rite Aid kind of thing. They don't have electronics per se. They got little teeny tiny ones, but not much. They got stuff for everything though. It's kind of cool. So we're gonna walk around here in a minute, and I will show you some of the cool stuff that I saw when I was here, as my wife was shopping. So there's my wife. I'm just letting her know that I'm gonna be taking a quick walk around the store for this video, and of course she encourages me to do all this stuff as well. So here we go. So we're going to start here at the toy section because I thought it'd be fun. And as you can see, there's a lot of Disney toys in this little section, and Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, and so on and so on. But the thing is in Thailand, a lot of these toys are bootleg. All these licensed Disney toys, they might be. Who knows? It could just be the older toys. But as we're coming up, you'll see stuff like Transformers, Play-Doh. You'll see mecha toys. You'll see all sorts of different toys here that has nothing to do with the actual brand of Hasbro or Mattel. And they are still cool. They're still very close to the actual toys of the companies that we know back in America. Off the team. Rocket Wars. It's a fake Transformer. Look at that. It's a fake Optimus Prime. I believe. Let's see here. Yep. So as you can see, that is a fake Transformer, and this is the mecha. If anybody knows what this is, a mecha, let me know, because I don't know anything about these. But here's a fake Bumblebee, and it's kind of neat, Again, it's another Transformer, but it's not a Transformer. They call it something else. So as you can see, you need like a 6-pack of Transformers. You got 2 lightsabers, got some dinosaur head, and got some girl toys now. And these right here are cool. These are the magnetic bricks. My son used to have these, but it comes with like a truck, so you can build a truck with it. It was pretty cool to see. Puzzles, games, shaped as airplanes. These are like mystery boxes, more games, little fake Nerf guns, more Transformers. But it has nothing to do with Hasbro or Bandai. No Hasbro, no Bandai. They're cute. There's that Optimus Prime again. And if you want to spend like $5 on him. Oh, 4. It's a. And this does not have a. It does transform. Interesting. More fake Nerf guns. So as you can see, there's a lot of toys that are affordable that you can take back home to your kids if you have kids. Or if you want to just have something really interesting for your collection, you can take it home. I mean, you even got cars here that are RC cars. It's pretty neat, RC cars. Oh, it's a fake Power Ranger toy. Window. Super train. So I was very excited to see this toy. Yes, it's a bootleg Power Ranger toy. It's a Megazord of some sort. But I'm a big Power Ranger fan, and I'm starting to recollect my Power Ranger toys. I'm starting a new YouTube channel soon. Link will be in description on this video. But anyways, that is a super train. So it comes with 3 trains, and it turns into this Megazord of some sort. It was very heavy. It was, I think, maybe made out of some kind of like die-cast metal or something. I haven't felt a Megazord box that heavy before. But anyways, here's some squirt guns like Super Soakers, but not Super Soakers. Again, bootleg. But squirt guns are fun. They're always fun. You got cleaning products, household like accessories, more toys. So quick note, these toys right here are actually baby toys, and you got some workout gear here you can be buying, some little dress up, school supplies, and yeah, pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So yeah, as you can see, you can buy almost anything here: car air freshener, school supplies, cleaning products, backpacks. It's just a very interesting place, and it's very close to the house. Oh, should I say my house in Thailand? To go to, you can buy almost anything you need for your house. Is it a DIY place? No, not really. I didn't see no soldering irons. I didn't see no, anything that I would think of as DIY. If you're in Wang Noi and you need something for your house or something for your kids for school, this is a great place to come. So that's DIY. By the way, DIY just stands for brand, Mr. DIY. So there you go. Have a great day. Bye. So before we go, I forgot to show you that they sell a little bit of jewelry, and this was Disney jewelry. Yeah, it was kind of neat to see, but it wasn't like expensive. It was just cheap, not like if you go to the Disney store or something. But anyways, thanks for watching and have a great day. See you in my next video. Peace.